Well, you probably heard about snoring. It is a very common thing, especially in adults. And you know why it happens? The relaxed muscles of our throat vibrates when we breathe air in rushes. And the things like our health, our weight, and the shape of our mouth make us sound more like you kind of sawing logs during the night. And believe me, it's loud enough to wake up your partner. And if you want to get rid of snoring, you can check the videos which are dropped on my channel. Make sure you subscribe it and also don't forget to follow me on the Instagram.